Episode 14. And our last episode, maybe me and Hannah might be able to make one later before she leaves. This is our last episode. So, and for all the fun with Heather and Hannah haters, don't get excited that it's ending because it's not. Our show's still going. Just when Hannah comes to visit, that's when we're going to do episodes. And I might put a video up every once in a while to check in with all you fans, or whatever you're called. Yeah. So, yeah, we're sad because that's the week. And then I gotta go to school next week. No. Next week? Oh my gosh, school's next week. I thought it was in 2 weeks. Okay. Yeah, so.
Yeah, my name is Julie.
So, we hope that we can make more episodes, but I'll put out a video letting you guys know what's going on and how Hannah's been and stuff. Fill you in on all the things happening. So, and also I'm gonna make a slideshow of me and Hannah because our movie maker, we can't upload the slideshows on YouTube for some reason. It won't let us. But I was gonna make it in a videotape with the camera, off of the computer after I made it. So, yeah, but our show's not stopping. We're never gonna stop it. So, yeah, I'll be checking in with you guys, and maybe even my sister or my friend or cousin or whatever will be in the video every once in a while. They want it. So, I'm gonna miss Hannah. But I could talk to her on the phone and videotape it too, so that's a good thing, right? Yeah, like what they do with Miley Cyrus. They show pictures of her while you can hear her on the radio station, and they show pictures. It's kind of like a slideshow with Miley talking. So I'll do that. Pictures of me and Hannah, and have me and Hannah talking in the background. Well, Anthony wants to say goodbye to you. Anthony, put it on his phone. Bye. Yeah. So if you checked out our MySpace info episode and / introducing our other one, episode 13. You could see me going crazy, and I was kind of embarrassing myself, but for Demi Lovato, I would. Yeah. Well, we're gonna go. Bye.